electric range and charging. A big question that I get is how far can this vehicle go on just a charge? The answer is 40 to 50 miles on a full battery charge. Again, it is a hybrid, and you do have the regenerative driving as well, where it takes the energy in the wheels and then we'll put it back into the battery. We estimate between 40 and 50 miles because it is Mercedes, and we don't like to give hard numbers, as you know. Along with that, this still is a 2-liter inline 4 turbocharged engine. What that means is it's going to have a combined 313 horsepower with the 40 to 50 miles of electric range. Additionally, there are 2 ports. That is going to be for the gas side, and then on the other side, you have the plug-in portion for the hybrid model. Space. Now, cargo space is going to be very important. So underneath, you do lose the compartment for your spare tire, but as far as groceries, space, luggage, things like that, you should not be affected. Now, if you're worried about having a spare tire getting it flat, Mercedes-Benz Roadside SOS, Mercedes-Benz Roadside Assistance, they will come out to you complimentary if you have a Mercedes-Benz, and they'll take your car, tow it into the closest dealership to you. Again, this is complimentary. If the SOS button does expire, rest assured, because there is a 1-800 number available for you as well. Now, with the long-term reliability, there is an incredible warranty with the Mercedes-Benz vehicle. The battery has about 8 years, 100,000 miles. You'll be covered under the warranty. Then you also have the manufacturer warranty like normal, 4 years or 50,000 miles, whichever comes first. Redesigned, updated interior with the tablet style screen. So, is the hybrid Mercedes GLC worth it? In terms of efficiency, technology, performance, it checks all the boxes. It's a luxury vehicle, and you get this incredible Mercedes-Benz service. Let me know what you think. I hope this video helps.